In today's video, I'll show you ClickUp Google Calendar integration. So let's get started. So here we are on ClickUp, and now to integrate Google Calendar is that we would need to go here into More on the left menu. And in here, you want to go into integrations and then go here, search, and then go for Google Calendar. And if you can find it, just type in calendar and you should have Google Calendar in here. And then you would want to click here on connect. And then you'll be prompted into signing in with your Google account. So just sign in and click on OK. And then from here is that you would want to click on continue. And then here it is, click on done. And then you are now connected. Next thing that you'd want to do is that you want to click here on the add button here in sync task to calendar. And then you'd now be able to sync your space into this calendar. For example, I'm going to go for this one. And then you can go for the calendar right here. In what calendar in your Google Calendar would you want it to be synced? Let's say this one. And then from here, you would now be able to also go for only task that is assigned to you. Right here, you can toggle that on or off right there. And then you could always add more. You can click on add again, and then you could go for others, and then select the calendar again, and same thing. And then you can also launch your new meeting in here, Google Calendar automations, and many more. But the important thing here is it's now connected to our Google Calendar. So go back in here into space, and then just simply go here, navigate into the view, click on view, and then go for Google Calendar. And then you'd be able to have a Google Calendar view here in ClickUp, and as you can see right here. But in my case, since this is just a tutorial account for the Google Calendar, I don't have any datas yet right here. But yeah, this is where you'd be able to see the Google Calendar view. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.